Akbar and the artist. One day, an artist came to Akbar and said, "Your Majesty, would you like me to paint the likeness of your beautiful palace?" Akbar happily agreed. The artist walked around the palace with his canvas and painted it from every angle. A few days later, the painting was ready. Everyone in the court was impressed with the painting. Akbar gave the artist many gifts. The artist wanted to leave, but Akbar said, "Please stay for a few more days." Next day, the artist told Akbar, "All my belongings have been stolen." Akbar was furious. But Birbal said, "Your Majesty, I was in doubt, so I sent my servants to find out about the artist. He is actually a spy of our enemy. He has made a map of the palace so that our enemy may attack us." Akbar punished the artist and thanked Birbal for saving his kingdom from great danger. The Heavenly Rabbit. One day, a hunter visited Akbar's court. He showed Akbar a strange rabbit and said, "I found this heavenly rabbit in the forest. Please accept my gift." The rabbit had many colors and indeed looked heavenly. Akbar said, "I am happy with your gift. I shall give you 100 gold coins as a reward." Just then, Birbal said, "Your Majesty, this rabbit looks dirty. It needs to have a bath first." Akbar agreed. Birbal asked a servant to bring a tub of warm water. When he dipped the rabbit in the water, the colors on the rabbit's body washed away. It was just an ordinary white rabbit. Akbar was angry with the hunter. He asked Birbal, "How did you know it's a painted rabbit?" Birbal said, "The hunter used many colors to paint the rabbit, and the color was still present on its nails." Akbar gave Birbal 100 gold coins instead. Weaving dreams. Akbar was in a good mood one evening. He decided to tease Birbal. Akbar said, "I had a dream last night. In my dream, I saw you." Birbal said, "Your Majesty, I feel honored. What else did you see?" Akbar said, "We were walking in the marketplace. It was night. There was darkness all around. Suddenly, we fell into ditches. You fell into a ditch full of garbage. But I was lucky. I fell into a ditch of honey. Akbar winked at Birbal, who understood this was a prank. He quipped, "Your Majesty, your dream was incomplete." "Why do you say that?" asked Akbar. "I too had the same dream," said Birbal. "We looked for some water to clean ourselves, but we didn't find even a drop. So you licked me and I licked you clean." Akbar had a hearty laugh and said, "You are the smartest of all." The lamp on the hill. One day, Birbal said, "Your Majesty, man can do anything for money." Akbar said, "Prove it." Birbal brought a poor Brahmin and said, "This Brahmin will stand in the icy cold lake by the hill throughout the night if you reward him." Akbar agreed. The Brahmin stood in the lake all night. In the morning, Akbar asked him, "How did you manage?" The Brahmin said, "A lamp was burning on the hill. I watched it all night." Akbar said, "So the lamp warmed you up. You lose." Birbal felt sorry for the Brahmin. He did not go to the court for 2 days. When Akbar visited Birbal's home, he saw Birbal watching a pot of uncooked rice. Akbar shouted, "How can you cook rice without a fire?" Birbal said, "The pot will gain warmth from the lamp on the hill." Akbar realized his mistake. He called the Brahmin and gave him 1,000 gold coins. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.